Hello everyone! Today we're in my kitchen and I'm going to show you how I turn this little area into a romantic little coffee station. Stay tuned! Welcome back. My name is Antoinette, and as I mentioned, I'm going to be transforming this little corner here of my kitchen counter into a romantic little coffee station for two. And I'm collaborating today with Renters Love Luxury by N and Tamara at Love My Babies Forever. So the idea is that we are making sure that our coffee stations are on a tray and that we have a little kiss of rose gold on our tray. So let's start with the tray. So here is my rose gold tray. Now, rose gold is often difficult to get exact. So sometimes it's a little more pink and sometimes it's a little more copper. And I think maybe you can consider this a little more copper, but definitely rose gold. I've taken this linen napkin and just placed it just sort of off to the side of my tray there. Every coffee station must have a coffee maker or a coffee pot. So this is my single brew coffee pot, rather coffee maker. And I think it's perfect for a little coffee station for two. Here are my coffee cups in white. Cups and saucers. We're going to be kind of fancy for this Valentine's. And we have our little matching white spoons. Off to one side of the tray, I have this rose gold candle holder with our 2-wick candle inside. And that is placed on top of this beautiful white candle holder, and it's a nice big chunky substantial candle holder, and I think it looks very pretty with the color scheme that we have going on so far. I've placed this white creamer and sugar bowl that matches our cups and saucers down in front here, and I've dressed it up a little, and to cut up the white a bit, right here, these sparkly picks that were purchased at Michael's. To the back here of our tray in our little station, I have this beautiful sparkly white heart finished off with some white ribbon, and this is a piece I purchased at Dollarama. And now, before I show you my last piece, I'm going to quickly show you how I made it. What I did was I found a print that I liked online. I printed it off. I had purchased this little rose gold picture frame that I took apart. And as you can see, I'm cutting out the middle of the paper insert. And then I'm outlining the print so that it will fit perfectly in the middle of our cutout. There it is. I'm going to cut it with our scissors, place it inside our frame, and then to finish it off, I have this really pretty sparkly rose gold tape that I'm measuring out and cutting up so that I can outline our picture with it. Here is our DIY piece in action on our tray. And I think I lied to you guys. I said it was my last piece, but it's amazing what you remember that you have when you're off camera. So I did remember that I had these little heart picks that I also got at Dollarama, and they match that white heart at the back. So what I did was, when I placed this picture frame down, the white heart at the back didn't stand out so much. So I propped it up on a little glass piece there. I don't know if you can see that, but I didn't like that you could see that little glass piece. So then I remembered I had this little pot holder. And how could I forget that I had this? This is perfect. It is in the shape of a heart with little white hearts on it. And as you can see, it says Pure Love 100% Handle with Care. So I place that there, and that covers our little glass piece that's propping up the heart at the back. And these little additions, I think, have made a huge difference to the look of our coffee station. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know. Please be sure to visit both N and Tamara to see their romantic coffee stations. Kindly give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. I promise there are more exciting Valentine decorating videos to come.